Hola amigos, welcome back to my channel. In the last episode, we went to see the production of Oaxaquenos' favorite drink, mezcal. Today, let's take a look of how to make their favorite cuisine, tamale. Every year, there's a festival held in March and April called Martes de Brujas. People go there every Tuesday to have fun and taste different types of tamales. This is their signature tamale called chichilo. So what is tamale? Let's mix them together and you will find out. My host family brings me to shop for some ingredients first. This place is called Central de Abostos in Oaxaca. It's a very big local market which sells everything, and you won't see any tourists there. Okay, except me. Well, let's take a walk. Do you want some snack like grasshopper? It's 250 pesos per kilo. Oh, I forgot we need to find the most important ingredient, maíz. It means corn in Spanish. How many we need? 1 dozen with husk and 1 dozen without? Do we need that many? Only 5 people in the house. Never mind, just follow the expert. Now, I wish I can carry all those corns on top of my head. Alright, showtime. First, we need to chop off the end a little in order to remove the husks. The outer layer of husks are harder, which are perfect for wrapping, so we have to be careful.
Are you ready to make tamales?
I'm ready to make a mask.
Ya ves, va a ser una máscara.
Then, we need to remove the inner husks and throw them away. But for the corn still, the family would like to dry for tea, so we have to save it too. Finally, we chop off the end and make sure all the corn silks are taken out. When all the corns are cleaned, we have to shave them off and put them into this processor for smashing. We are making sweet tamale this time, so it's not very complicated. We need to put butter, sugar, cream, oil, sugar again, and evaporated milk. Voila, the mixture is done. Let's wrap it with corn husks and then steam it for 30 minutes. What about the leftover? No worries, we just add some eggs, baking powder, evaporated milk, flour, sugar, and bake it so it will become cornbread. You think this sweet tamale is too easy to make? Let's take a look at what the Mexican grandma does every week for her tamale business. Every Friday afternoon, the dining room is her factory. This time, she prepares chicken with green mole, corn dough with her secret recipe, and banana leaves for wrapping. Sometimes, she prepares pork with black mole. I offer my help every week, but I never pass the probation. All these tamale will be cooked in the big pots. The next morning, Grandma will sell those in the neighborhood. They are always sold out in a few hours. So have you tried tamale? What's your experience? You like sweet or savory? Share with me in the comment section. Remember to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until next time, bye!